Hi, my name is Kiveshan Tambiran. I am a scholar and lecturer at the University of Johannesburg in the Faculty of Art, Design and Architecture. I work in the Department of Visual Arts, where I am currently working towards a master's degree as well as lecturing the New Media Studies subject. So, what is New Media Studies? New Media Studies is a brand new subject that I've been given the opportunity to spearhead in our department. Previously, it was called computers, and it was the basics to using technologies such as Microsoft Word for essays and Adobe Photoshop for making reference images to draw from. So, when I was given the opportunity to take over the subject and sort of revolutionize it with the use of technology, I decided I was going to recreate artists, art making, and how the students learn with technology. I only have 3 minutes to show you everything I have done so far, so I do apologize if you're left wanting. My subject has three goals in mind. Number one, new art making styles using digital media. Number two, combining art and social media to educate others. Number three, self learning using the iPad. For number one, my students create a body of work on Adobe products such as Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator. These works go from actual artworks where the students manipulate images to conceptualizing their thoughts and processes on posters to branding themselves with logos and business cards, which culminates in a website, which means that the student can operate a functioning art business from their first year using only a tablet. Secondly, we use social media to educate others as to what exactly it is we do as artists and art students. As you can see in the following image, the students have posted to social media with artist statements explaining their work to those who do not understand art or the visual language. So students will use their iPad with the social media that they had previously to basically encourage and envision what it is they've done and what it is they're going to do. They're educating others as to what it is an artist does. Finally, we make the most of the tablets in the self-learning process. To make the student independent, it is compulsory to do the branding project, which requires knowledge in InDesign for the student to teach themselves the program with either YouTube tutorials or PDF guides. As you can see in the image, this student has opted to use a YouTube tutorial to teach herself the program. This makes the student realize that learning can occur outside the classroom and independently of the teacher, which is vital for first year students who have so much pressure on them when they've made this transition from matric or high school where they were spoon fed everything to varsity where it is more of an independent environment. As you can see, I hope to use technology not only to grow my students but rather the very art industry, how it is taught and how it is viewed. I am doing this independently and it has been a long road, but I hope that you've enjoyed my submission and that you have an awesome day. Bye bye.